Coffee used to be consumed in religious contexts. By the early 17th century, coffee had reached the Middle East, particularly Persia and Turkey. Coffee drinking declined in popularity after it was banned by religious authorities in Mecca and Cairo during the 16th century. The ban was soon lifted due to pressure from large merchants who profited from the coffee trade. The drink soon became a favorite in religious circles and among scholars and intellectuals in the Muslim world and then in Christian Europe. It was during this period that coffee acquired its reputation for intellectual stimulation. The elite viewed the beverage as both a luxurious and healthy alternative to alcohol.